Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to apply discount codes at checkout in AUTODOC. So let's get started with the video. So once you are on the homepage of the AUTODOC, here you will see an option of cart in between. You need to click on the cart. So it will open all the items that you have added in your cart. Click on checkout option that you will see. Once you click on that, first you need to select the shipping address on which you basically want the product to be shipped. If you want to add a new address, you need to click on add new address, or if the address is saved, you need to click on that. Choose the payment method, particularly which payment method you want to choose. You can choose over here any of them. And here when you will scroll down till the end, you will find an option of apply bonus or coupon. So basically you need to enter your discount coupon here, or you can also use any bonus balance that is available in your AUTODOC account. You can just enable it from here. If you want to use the coupon, then you have to click on use coupon and here enter the discount coupon. Over here, post that you need to click on shop now and the payment and complete the payment. So this is how you can apply discount codes at checkout in AUTODOC. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.